Hey guys, it's Rachel and I am dying to figure out how J.Lo gets that glow. Every time I try to recreate her look, I either end up looking too orange or too cakey. I had to call in the expert. Meet Vincent Oquendo. Okay, so the first step is eye drops.
Yeah, they get rid of any redness, so we've gone from drops to mist. The biggest thing for me is just making sure everything is sort of prepped and primed. Your skin actually should be glowing under the makeup. It's not just all makeup. I like to put concealer before I put the actual foundation on. I take a warmer and a cooler color and I sort of mix them. I love to sort of buff the makeup in.
I'll apply like a foundation and then a bronzer and then a highlighter, and I feel like
You lose control.
Yes.
Brows and your skin do all the talking. Because when you look at J.Lo, her brows are always so good. Give your lashes a really good curl. This is brightening and whitening your waterline. If your waterline is pink, warm tones around your eyes are gonna stand out even more and you're gonna look ruddy. We're gonna use a cream contour.
I also never really use cream to contour. Do you have a preference?
You wanna build depth, and the only way to build depth is to use multiple textures. Powder bronze sets the cream contour.
A liquid highlighter. I'm excited.
So it's a subtle under the skin glow. So this sort of kilowatt powder is terrifying.
It's so bright.
But never fear, just take a little bit of that right into your crease. We're gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury Color Chameleon. We're gonna sort of scribble it along your lash line. This is like candy.
So
it even matches your outfit. So I'm gonna take the gold highlight. I'm gonna go right here in the inner corner of your eye. Then we're gonna take the bronze color. We're gonna go over cream eyeshadow. I'm gonna finish the look. I love a good pressed powder. Cream lipstick. Cherry on top of the sundae is our lip balm. Good luck. Good luck.
Cannot wait to try this. I'm not gonna lie. Now it's time to put it to the test. See what I learned.
Oh my God, yes. So good.
Okay, and we mixed medium and light. Getting the glow.
Oh yeah, this is so exciting.
Dying to try this highlighter.
Okay. Apple of your cheek.
Then we went to eyes, right?
Yeah.
And here. And here. How'd I
Done.
do?
You look amazing.
I'm gonna do this every single day
You look amazing.
for the rest of my life. Before this tutorial, I would say I was about a 5 on the J.Lo glow scale, but thanks to Vincent, I'm now a 10. So thanks for watching, guys.